Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make delicious vegan scrambled eggs using organic tofu and fresh sweet bell peppers. These eggs are so good that they might even make it into the next edition of the Fulco Family Cookbook. So let's go ahead and get started. Ingredients today are organic tofu, extra firm, sweet bell peppers. I have sweet mini peppers here actually. I'm just choosing one of each color. You can also just use green bell pepper. You can even add onion if you like. As far as spices, we have a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of nutritional yeast that's used a lot in vegan cooking. We also have a teaspoon of turmeric for color and onion powder for some additional flavor. Another ingredient that we're going to use is something called black salt, and I got this at an Indian market, and basically this is a salt product that gives that egg flavor and aroma to the end product. So we use black salt. The first step is to prepare your peppers. So here I've thin sliced some sweet mini peppers in yellow, red, and orange. You of course can use any type or color pepper that you like and cut it in any shape that you like. The first step is to cook the peppers in a little bit of olive oil. Peppers look great, so let's set those aside and go on to the next step. Let's get our tofu ready. So cut open the package. You want to drain out the water and then lightly pat it dry with a paper towel. So now into the same pan, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and we're going to take our tofu and just loosely break it up into the pan. You don't want to break it up too much, because remember we're making scrambled eggs, so you know roughly what scrambled egg consistency is. We're going to cook our tofu until all the liquid has been evaporated and it gets slightly brown. Okay, so we've reduced most of the water in our tofu scramble here, cooking it on a medium to medium high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, and now it's time to add our spice mixture. So we're going to go ahead and add our tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Clean hands, cook's best friend. A tablespoon of nutritional yeast, to sprinkle that in. And our spice mixture, which is turmeric and onion powder. I'm going to get that little mix. And sprinkle that in. And give it a stir. The turmeric is in there. Turmeric, one, is very good for you. It's very healthy. But it's also in there to give it some color along with the Dijon mustard. And then the onion powder, of course, and the nutritional yeast gives it a great flavor. So now we've reduced our heat to low because our eggs are pretty much done. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of the black salt that I talked about, which is that salt that gives it a little bit of egg flavor and a little egg aroma. It's kind of a fun little product. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in there and put that into taste. Oops. And we're going to add our peppers in and give it a mix. And here we have our delicious vegan eggs plated. You can see the lovely sauteed peppers on top, and lots of ways you can serve these eggs. You can chop up some fresh grape tomatoes. We like to serve it with fresh sliced avocado. Here we have a vegan ciabatta bread spread with a lovely vegan butter. Thanks for learning how to make our version of vegan tofu eggs. I hope you'll give it a try. Enjoy!